Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope that you all are doing well. Today I am going to provide you an AI tool which can improve your English language. You can think this AI tool as an expert English teacher. Basically, let me explain you what AI is. AI mean artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence tool are created and we can use them to improve our English language. We can improve our all skills. We can improve the listening, reading, writing, and speaking skills with ChatGPT. Today, I'm going to discuss how you can use ChatGPT, how you can improve your English language with ChatGPT, how ChatGPT can help you in learning more and more, and how you can correct the mistakes in your paragraph writing, in your sentence writing with ChatGPT. Today I will show you in some of the examples, and I will give you some practical examples that you can add in your daily life to improve your English language skill. First of all, I want to discuss all the things that you can do with ChatGPT. Then I will show you the practical example. I will show you the software and how you can use it. As I have told you that ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence software. You can think it as a computer or a calculator which can calculate your mistakes, which can improve your English language. I'm just going to focus on English language because I teach and I want you to learn that language and its professional use. So we are just focusing on how we can improve English language skills with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is basically a software on which you can put your query and ChatGPT will answer that query for you. You can just write in simple English language sentences and it will give you a professional answer. And if you click on the regenerate button, it will regenerate the queries for you. Now moving toward the software, you just have to go to the Google or any search engine and you have to write ChatGPT. And after writing that, this window will pop up and you just have to click on the first bar which is showing and it will lead you to the software. Maybe it is not properly showing on the screen, but you can log in here. OpenAI is basically the tool and it is also introducing you to the sub tools. There are the sub tools. You can click on ChatGPT, ChatGPT 4. For example, I click on ChatGPT. I am already logged in. That's why it's opening like that. And you just have to log in as you have logged in on a Facebook or on YouTube. Now, for example, I want to practice English. So I want to practice a comprehension. So what I'm going to write here is that please write me a easy comprehension. I have written the question. You can write it in the same way. You just have to write your question here and then you will give the command to the AI software. So here the ChatGPT is automatically with the title and with the passage in paragraph settings writing a comprehension for you. I have written another query. For example, write me MCQs about English grammar. I want to improve my English grammar. So here ChatGPT is writing me the MCQs about preposition, pronoun, and it can also provide me the key. You can also correct your grammar sentence from ChatGPT. For example, I can write my wrong sentences or if I have written a passage and I think it has grammatical mistakes, it has spelling mistakes, I can put here my passage and ask ChatGPT to correct it. For example, I am writing a wrong sentence here. I have written a sentence that she have a cake. Now I know the sentence is wrong. I have written it for your example. And I have given a command to ChatGPT to correct this sentence. So ChatGPT is answering me. And ChatGPT is also informing me about the condition. I can read the condition and I can match my thinking with the sentence as well. For example, if I am thinking that the girl is carrying a cake, so I will use this sentence that she has a cake. Or for example, if I have a situation that she is eating the cake or enjoying the cake, then I can also say that she is having a cake. If my situation is not like that, she has just brought a cake to the event or a party, then she brought a cake. So there are many examples, there are many things that we can do with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a platform where you can ask ChatGPT to write you a conversation between two people, between three people, and you just have to memorize it and practice it daily, so that you can use in daily life. You can also improve your grammar through Chatgpt. You can write your, as I have shown you, you can write your sentence on Chatgpt and ask Chatgpt to tell you the mistakes or correct the grammar of that particular sentence. After that, you can also enhance your vocabulary with Chatgpt. For example, Chatgpt has given you an answer in a passage. You have to read that answer, and after reading, you can also increase your vocabulary. You can also write Chatgpt to give me an easy essay, to give me an ordinary, or you can also write that give me a complex, grammatically complex passage. Chatgpt will write according to your tone, mood, and thinking. You can also Chatgpt to explain idioms and expression that you don't understand in daily life. Even you can improve your listening and writing skills with the Chatgpt. Chatgpt provide you an endless possibility. You can work on that particular AI tool according to your own thinking. You can work as much as you want. You can spend as much time as you want, and it is very interesting. Within a week, you will learn how to use the Chatgpt. It is better than Google, I guess, because it provides you the precise information. But there is a single defect in Chatgpt. We can never be sure of our answers 100%. Chatgpt can provide wrong information as well. That is the only problem, but 99 times it is correct. Chatgpt only show mistakes in facts. So I wish you all the best to use the Chatgpt. Thank you very much for watching the video. Kindly share this with your class fellow. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.